Hi class, welcome to another week of Counseling 120. Hopefully you've already received the links to complete the Myers-Briggs type indicator and strong. So again, those are due this Friday. So you want to complete those so that I can send you the results during Thanksgiving week. This week's lectures will be covering the MBTI Myers-Briggs type indicator and the SII, the Strong Interest Inventory. So be sure to keep up with the lectures. As I mentioned in the lectures, I will be posting a discussion later in the week, but also plan to post a quiz on the most recent material that we've covered. So keep up with it. Really want you to finish strong. We've just got a couple of weeks left, and so want to say you're doing a great job and to keep up with it. So we'll continue on with Myers-Briggs and Strong Interest, and definitely want to continue on as we finish this semester focusing on career. Take care.